In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a StrawPage link. So there's actually a bunch of different things you could mean with links inside StrawPage, and I'm going to show you all of these. So first, I'm going to put on some text where I'm going to attach on some links. So I'm going to click on here, I'm going to add some text, and I'm actually going to edit this, and I'm going to name it YouTube channel, okay, like this. And I'm also going to extend it a bit because it looks a bit weird, just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to link this to my YouTube channel. So here I'm gonna go to down at the bottom, so I'm gonna click on it to open up this editor. I'm gonna go to the right, and here it says link. So if I click on that, and if I paste in a URL, for example, to my channel, just like this, I can go, and of course whenever I click on this, it's going to take me to my YouTube channel. So that's the first way. However, if you want to make a StrawPage link, via which of course you can share your StrawPage, you could go to down here, click on the save button, then you will have to go public or private. So of course it's up to you, whichever one you want to do. If you want to go public, if you're here for the first time, you'll basically just have to kind of put in your login info, so your email and your password you want to use, and then you'll be able to of course name your page as well. So I have this one, which is called instant how to already. I'm going to name this one instant how to 123.straw.page, and I'm going to click on publish my site. And there we go. It's going to basically put it on here. And as you can see, this is the instant how to 123.straw.page. And this is now my link. Anybody I can send this link is going to be able to basically click on this link here, and it's going to take them to my YouTube channel. So that's essentially how to make a StrawPage link. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.